Welcome. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of clinical trials and how their different phases connect directly to the scale of manufacturing. Whether you're new to pharmaceuticals or just curious about how medicines go from the lab to the pharmacy shelf, understanding this relationship is key. We'll start by outlining what clinical trials are, why they're essential, and how each phase serves a unique purpose. As we move forward, you'll see how manufacturing needs change at every step, reflecting the growing scale and complexity of drug development. Let's begin our journey from the very first phase. Clinical trials are typically divided into several phases, each designed to answer specific questions about a new drug or therapy. These phases, phase I, and IV, help researchers determine safety, efficacy, and optimal use. Each phase involves a different number of participants and has distinct goals. As we explore each phase, keep in mind that the scale of manufacturing must adapt to the needs of the trial, starting small and growing larger as the drug progresses through development. This dynamic process ensures both patient safety and efficient resource use. ASI trials mark the first time a new drug is tested in humans. These studies are usually small, involving 20 to 100 healthy volunteers or patients. The primary goal is to assess safety, determine a safe dosage range, and identify side effects. Because the number of participants is limited, the amount of drug needed is minimal. Manufacturing at this stage is often done on a laboratory or pilot scale, focusing on precision and flexibility rather than volume. This careful approach minimizes risk and allows for rapid adjustments if needed. During phase I, manufacturing is typically carried out in specialized labs using small-scale equipment. The focus is on producing enough drug for a limited number of doses, ensuring high quality and consistency. Flexibility is crucial as formulations may change based on early results. This stage often uses manual or semi-automated processes, allowing researchers to quickly adapt to new findings. The manufacturing environment must also meet strict regulatory standards to ensure participant safety. Once phase I is successfully completed, the drug moves into phase II trials. Here, the focus shifts from basic safety to evaluating how well the drug works in patients with the targeted condition. The number of participants increases, often ranging from 100 to 300. This means manufacturing must also scale up, producing larger batches while maintaining strict quality controls. The transition requires careful planning to ensure enough supply for all trial sites. ASI trials are designed to further assess the drug's safety and begin evaluating its effectiveness in patients. These studies involve a larger group, typically several hundred participants. The increased scale means manufacturing must now produce more consistent batches, often using pilot-scale equipment that bridges the gap between laboratory and full-scale production. Quality assurance becomes even more important, as any issues could impact the trial's outcome and future development. The stage manufacturing processes are refined to ensure the drug can be produced reliably at a larger scale. Equipment may be upgraded, and processes are standardized to minimize variability. Documentation and regulatory compliance become more rigorous, as authorities require detailed records of every batch produced. The goal is to demonstrate that the drug can be made safely and consistently, paving the way for even larger trials in the next phase. Successful phase II results, the drug advances to phase III trials. These are large-scale studies involving hundreds or even thousands of patients across multiple locations. Manufacturing must now shift to near-commercial scale, producing enough drug to supply all trial sites while maintaining the highest quality standards. This transition is a major milestone, requiring significant investment in equipment, personnel, and quality system. ASI trials are the final step before a drug can be approved for public use. These studies involve large, diverse patient populations to confirm the drug's effectiveness and monitor for rare side effects. Manufacturing at this stage must be robust, scalable, and fully compliant with regulatory standards. The processes used here closely resemble those that will be used for commercial production, ensuring a smooth transition if the drug is approved. Manufacturing during phase III is a complex operation, often involving large-scale facilities and highly automated processes. Every batch must meet strict quality standards, and any deviation can have serious consequences. Regulatory agencies closely monitor production, requiring detailed documentation and frequent inspections. The goal is to demonstrate that the drug can be produced safely, consistently, and at the scale needed for widespread use. As phase III concludes, attention turns to preparing for commercial manufacturing. This involves scaling up production even further, optimizing processes for efficiency, and ensuring all regulatory requirements are met. Technology transfer teams work to ensure that knowledge gained during trials is applied to full-scale production. This careful planning helps avoid delays and ensures a smooth launch if the drug receives approval. Even after a drug is approved and on the market, research continues through phase IV studies. These post-marketing trials monitor long-term safety and effectiveness in real-world settings. Manufacturing must now support full commercial demand, which can fluctuate based on market needs. Flexibility and responsiveness are key, as new data may require adjustments to production or distribution. Supporting a drug on the market brings new manufacturing challenges. Demand can change rapidly, requiring agile production systems. Manufacturers must also respond to new safety data, regulatory updates, or changes in formulation. Ongoing quality assurance and supply chain management are essential to ensure patients always have access to safe, effective medication. Throughout every phase, regulatory agencies play a critical role. They set standards for manufacturing, review data from clinical trials, and inspect facilities to ensure compliance. Their oversight protects patients and helps maintain public trust in new medicines. Manufacturers must work closely with regulators, submitting detailed documentation and responding promptly to any concerns. Quality assurance is a constant priority from the first laboratory batch to full-scale commercial production. Every process, ingredient, and finished product must meet strict standards. This involves rigorous testing, documentation, and continuous improvement. By maintaining high quality, manufacturers ensure that patients receive safe and effective treatments, no matter the scale of production. Scaling up manufacturing isn't just about making more product. It requires careful planning, investment in equipment, and training for staff. Processes that work in the lab may need to be adapted for larger equipment. Supply chains must be robust enough to handle increased demand, and quality systems must be scalable to ensure consistency at every batch size. Technology transfer is the process of moving a drug from development to commercial manufacturing. This involves sharing detailed knowledge about the product and process, training new teams, and validating equipment. Effective technology transfer ensures that the drug can be produced at scale without compromising quality or safety. Before a drug can be produced commercially, the manufacturing process must be validated. This means proving that the process consistently produces a product that meets all quality standards. Validation involves extensive testing, documentation, and sometimes multiple trial runs. It's a critical step that ensures patient safety and regulatory compliance. Every batch of drug produced must be carefully documented. Batch records track every step of the manufacturing process from raw materials to final packaging. This documentation is essential for quality control, regulatory compliance, and traceability. If any issues arise, batch records help identify the cause and prevent future problems. Reliable supply chain is vital for successful manufacturing at any scale. This includes sourcing raw materials, managing inventory, and coordinating distribution. As manufacturing scales up, supply chains must become more sophisticated to handle larger volumes and more complex logistics. Effective management helps prevent shortages and ensures timely delivery to trial sites or the market. Manufacturing at any scale involves risks, from equipment failures to supply chain disruptions. Risk management strategies include identifying potential problems, developing contingency plans, and continuously monitoring processes. By proactively addressing risks, manufacturers can minimize disruptions and maintain a steady supply of high-quality products. Scaling up manufacturing comes with significant costs, including equipment, facilities, and personnel. Companies must balance the need for efficiency with the imperative to maintain quality. Careful budgeting and cost control are essential, especially as the drug moves from small-scale trials to full commercial production. As manufacturing scales up, more personnel are required to operate equipment, manage quality, and oversee logistics. Training is critical to ensure everyone understands the processes and regulatory requirements. Well-trained staff help maintain consistency, reduce errors, and support a culture of quality. Automation plays a growing role in pharmaceutical manufacturing, especially at larger scales. Automated systems can improve efficiency, reduce errors, and enhance quality control. As trials progress and manufacturing scales up, automation becomes increasingly important for meeting demand and maintaining consistency. Manufacturing facilities must be designed to support the scale and complexity of production at each trial phase. As demand grows, facilities may need to be expanded or upgraded. This includes installing new equipment, improving workflows, and ensuring compliance with evolving regulations. Proper facility design supports efficient, high-quality manufacturing. Maintaining the right environment is crucial for pharmaceutical manufacturing. This includes controlling temperature, humidity, and cleanliness to prevent contamination. As manufacturing scales up, environmental controls become more complex and critical. Advanced monitoring systems help ensure that every batch meets strict quality standards. As drugs move through clinical trials, packaging and labeling requirements become more complex. Each batch must be clearly labeled with trial information, dosage, and expiration dates. Packaging must protect the product and meet regulatory standards. As manufacturing scales up, automated packaging lines help maintain efficiency and accuracy. Getting drugs from the manufacturing site to clinical trial locations or the market requires careful logistics. This includes managing transportation, storage, and tracking. As production scales up, logistics systems must be robust and flexible to handle larger volumes and more destinations. Effective logistics ensure timely delivery and maintain product quality. Some drugs require strict temperature control during storage and transport, known as the cold chain. Maintaining the cold chain is especially important for biologics and vaccines. As manufacturing scales up, cold chain logistics become more challenging, requiring specialized equipment and monitoring to ensure product integrity. Managing inventory is a balancing act. Too little stock can delay trials or sales, while too much can lead to waste. As manufacturing scales up, inventory systems must be optimized to track raw materials, work in progress, and finished goods. Automation and real-time data help maintain the right balance and support efficient operations. Pharmaceutical manufacturing generates waste, from unused raw materials to packaging. Effective waste management is essential for environmental protection and regulatory compliance. As production scales up, waste handling systems must be expanded and improved to safely manage larger volumes. Continuous improvement is a core principle in pharmaceutical manufacturing. Teams regularly review processes, identify areas for enhancement, and implement changes to boost efficiency and quality. This culture of improvement helps companies stay competitive and ensures that patients receive the best possible treatments. No matter the scale of manufacturing, patient safety is always the top priority. Every process from raw material selection to final packaging is designed to minimize risks and ensure that every dose is safe and effective. This commitment to safety underpins every decision made throughout the clinical trial and manufacturing journey. Many pharmaceutical companies operate global manufacturing networks to support clinical trials and commercial production. These networks allow for greater flexibility, faster response to demand changes, and access to specialized expertise. Coordinating across multiple sites requires robust communication and standardized processes. Outsourcing manufacturing or partnering with contract manufacturing organizations, CMOs, is common, especially during scale-up. These partnerships provide access to specialized facilities and expertise, helping companies manage costs and meet tight timelines. Clear communication and quality agreements are essential for successful collaborations. Protecting intellectual property (IP) is critical during clinical development and manufacturing. Companies must safeguard proprietary processes, formulations, and data. This involves legal protections, secure data management, and careful selection of partners. Strong IP protection supports innovation and business success. Regulations governing clinical trials and manufacturing are constantly evolving. Companies must stay informed and adapt quickly to new requirements. This may involve updating processes, retraining staff, or investing in new technology. Staying compliant ensures continued access to markets and protects patient safety. Let's look at a real-world example of a drug that successfully scaled from phase I trials to commercial production. By carefully planning each step, investing in technology, and maintaining a focus on quality, the company was able to meet growing demand and achieve regulatory approval. This case highlights the importance of flexibility, teamwork, and continuous improvement. From this case study, we learn that successful scale-up requires more than just technical expertise. It demands strong leadership, clear communication, and a willingness to adapt. By fostering a culture of collaboration and continuous learning, companies can overcome challenges and deliver life-changing medicines to patients. The future of pharmaceutical manufacturing is shaped by new technologies, such as continuous manufacturing, artificial intelligence, and advanced analytics. These innovations promise to make production more efficient, flexible, and responsive to patient needs. Staying ahead of these trends will be essential for success in an increasingly competitive industry. Personalized medicine is changing the way drugs are developed and manufactured. Smaller, more targeted batches require flexible manufacturing systems and rapid adaptation. This trend is driving innovation in both clinical trial design and production methods, ensuring that treatments can be tailored to individual patient needs. Sustainability is becoming a top priority in pharmaceutical manufacturing. Companies are investing in greener processes, reducing waste, and minimizing energy use. As manufacturing scales up, sustainable practices help protect the environment and support long-term business success. Digital technologies are transforming every aspect of pharmaceutical manufacturing. From data analytics to real-time monitoring, digital tools improve efficiency, enhance quality, and support regulatory compliance. Embracing digital transformation is essential for staying competitive and meeting the demands of modern healthcare. We've explored how clinical trial phases and manufacturing scale are closely linked, from the first laboratory batch to full commercial production. Each phase brings new challenges and opportunities, requiring careful planning, investment, and a commitment to quality. By understanding this relationship, we can appreciate the complexity and importance of bringing new medicines to patients. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the relationship between clinical trial phases and manufacturing scale. From small-scale laboratory work to global commercial production, every step is vital for delivering safe, effective medicines. As science and technology continue to advance, the connection between clinical development and manufacturing will only grow stronger, shaping the future of healthcare.